Okay, right away I know what it is. It's wrong right here. You have the wrong. See how it's going this way, pointing this way, it's going that way. It needs to go that way because this is the main character node. So that will not work, and that's for sure. I guarantee you. So that's how it is. So it's not attached. That's fine. Uh, yeah, because see when I select it, that doesn't get selected. So when you do that, and then you go to skin it, let me go into the rigging, skinning right here. You'll see it'll work with that, and that's no big deal. That's just the painting weight. They all will work, but not your leg. See, that one works, but see, you have the wrong initial angle. First of all, remember what I said in class, in the video. You gotta watch the video. See how it's going up like that? That means your ankle, the way you put your bones, they're not inside. Look, they're outside. You gotta take more time. You're going too fast. I can see that. All right, so you need to redo the complete skeleton. And right here, it is wrong. This is not the right connection. That bone right here needs to be. Let me see if I can remove. Yeah, you can. So I would have to take the complete things out. All right, those right here, you gotta redo the whole thing. See, the connection right here is wrong. Right there, it's wrong. It should be this way. So that means you did it the wrong way. That's all. So you need to redo the complete thing. And basically, I don't think I can get rid of it. Because it's a root joint, so you can't do that. So you need to redo the complete skeleton, and especially your skeleton is not done properly. And if you want to change the size of the whole thing, you just go to display, animation, joint size, and you change it right here. And you can see right there that you're really off. All right, you got to redo that. That's just not. That's not even a C. That's a D. All right, so you need to redo that, put the joints properly. See, that one is done properly right there. You know, its connection is wrong. See, now you can really see it. You see how it's wrong? It's going the other way. So right there, that's not gonna work. All right, so see, that one right here is wrong. And it's really, I don't think you can really get rid of it easily because yeah, it's what's called a root joint. So you can't do that. Maybe I can reroute it. Let me see. Yeah, it's not gonna let me do that. So yeah, you need to redo the whole thing. You have no other choices. You have the wrong route now because of that. It needs to go that way. That's it. So redo the complete thing. It takes half an hour really to do it properly, but it needs to be done properly. This is not proper. Okay, that's your main problem. Thank you.